I'm Amanda Ramsey, your over 40s makeup expert with over 19 years in the industry. Today I'm going to walk you through a very simple morning skincare routine for fabulous, healthy looking skin. Step 1, your hydrating cream cleanser. Today I've used the Refining Cleanser by Clemence Organics. We want to start the day with beautiful, clean skin. So get rid of all those toxins that have come out of our skin through the night and set yourself up for the day with lovely, clean skin. Healthy pump, massaged onto damp skin, will keep your skin beautifully hydrated while cleaning it at the same time. Grab a damp cloth and wipe away. Skin feels fresh, bouncy, and beautifully clean. Step 2 is a hydrating Pure Rose toning mist. Today I've used the Wildcrafted Organics Wild Rose Hydrating Mist. That'll wake you up in the morning, smells beautiful, and does a lovely job of toning those pores. It's sort of your second step of cleansing, but also keeps your skin beautifully hydrated. You get the theme going, we're hydrating in the morning. Step 3 is your treatment serum. Today I've used the Glow Ritual by Antipodes, a beautiful, brightening vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum. And you want to apply your treatment serum onto beautifully hydrated and damp skin. Dollop of your treatment serum and massage that into your skin. Choose the serum that suits your skin on that particular day. Step 4 is my holy grail facial oil by Mohi. Think of this as the multivitamin shot that your skin needs. A couple of drops, either apply with damp hands or mix with a touch of water and massage it in. And this is when you're going to really give your skin some love and liven it up. And of course, ladies, if you do have a lower neck top on, when you're doing your skincare, you want to bring your skincare all the way down your chest as well. So for healthy, glowing skin, that nutrient-rich face oil is the business. And the final step, step 5, was the Clemence Organics Ultimate Lip Balm. Dry lips really does become an issue for us mature ladies, so you want to use a really beautiful lip balm to hydrate and plump up your lips. You'll find all of these products in the Amanda Ramsey online shop.